is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way we go to school so early in the morning.
This is the way we dress ourselves, dress ourselves, dress ourselves. This is the way we dress ourselves so early.
Good day, children at home. Welcome to today's episode on mathematics for senior primary classes, that is primary 4 to 6. I'm Carol Okoro, your math teacher. Today, children, we are starting from first term work, and first of all, let us count from 10 to 100, counting in tens. Counting in tens. From 10 to 100. We are doing it together. Oh yeah, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Good. This is counting in tens. In the same way, we can count in hundreds. And counting in hundreds, let's count from 100 to 1,000. That is 100 to 1,000. Yes. Let's count together, starting from 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1,000. Okay? Also, we can count in thousands. Assuming we can count in thousands from 1,000 to 10,000. Let's do it together from 1,000 to 10,000. We start from 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, and 10,000. Good. You are familiar with all these ones. Maybe from your primary 4, you have learned all these ones. Now, today, we are now to count from hundreds to million. Though you are conversant with counting on hundreds. So let's pick on counting. That's the topic for the day. Our topic for today says counting from 1,000 to 1 million. That's for today's lesson. This is our topic for the day, children. And in counting from 1,000 to million, from 1,000 to 1 million, we shall have them in groups. We shall have them in groups. This leads us to groups of, but before we go in groups, remember that 1,000, one group of 1,000, 1,000 for one group of 1,000 is equal to 1. That is how we should write it. One group of 1,000, that is equals to 1,000. And in words, it is written as 1,000. Okay? It is written as 1,000. Okay. Now for two groups of 1,000, it is written as 1,000, and that is 2,000. In words, we have it as 2,000. Okay, that's just giving you an example of how to count in groups. But let's now go straight to counting in the groups of 10. Counting in the groups of 10. Now, groups of 10. In counting in groups of 10, we have 10 groups of 1,000. What should it be? It should be 10 times 1,000. And that will give us what, children? What will it give us? When you use this to multiply out this 10 groups, 1,000 into 10. 1,000 into 10. That's what I mean by 10 group of 1,000. And when we say 10 group of 1,000, we just use 10 to multiply this. That will give us 10,000. Written in words as 10,000. Okay? Good. Also, we have 20 groups, 20 groups of 1,000, that will be 20 times 1,000, and that should be 20,000. Okay? Good. We can also count in groups of 100. In groups of 100, we say groups of hundreds. Group of 100. Which means if we count in groups of 100, now we say 100 groups of 1,000, which will be 100 multiplied by 1,000. Children, what will it be? Multiply it out. What will be their answer? 100 multiplied by 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. How many zeros? 5 zeros. Just put 1. Put 5 zeros. Now 1, 2, 3. Put your comma here. What will it give us? 100,000. Written in words as 100,000. Okay? In the same manner, if we have 200 groups, it should be 200,000. If we have 300 groups of 1,000, we have 300,000. 500, for 500 groups, we have 500,000. For 900 groups, for example, 900 groups of 1,000, it will give us 900 times 1,000, and that will be 900,000. And then we write it as this. 900,000, correct. Now we are approaching million now, because we have reached up to 900,000. Okay? Good. If we have 1,000 groups of 1,000, think of it, children. 1,000 groups of 1,000. Let's solve that one. 1,000 groups of 1,000, which means 1,000 times 1,000. What will it be? How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it is going to comprise of 6 zeros and then 1, because 1 times 1 is what? 1. Okay, let's put it down. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And children, this is 1 million. Remember our counting? From 1,000 to million. Counting in groups, we have counts reaching up to 1 million. Okay. This is 1 million. It is written as 1 million. Okay. Now, it is not only 1,000 groups of 1,000 that can give you 1 million. There are other groups of numbers also that can give you up to 1 million. Okay? So if we have 100 groups of 10,000, let's multiply out 100 groups of 10,000. Multiply it out, what will it give us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see? It's C4 with 6 zeros, which is 1 million. And we have it 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 million. Okay? There is still another group of 1,000 that can still give you up to 1 million. And that is 10 groups. 10 groups of what? Who can tell me? 10 groups of 1,000. Yes, somebody tell me. 10 groups of 100,000, please. Not 1,000. 10 groups of 100,000. And that will be 10 multiply 100,000. And that will give us what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see? And then it should also give us 1 million too. Yes. 1 million. So if you look down at this later aspect of our counting in groups, you see that there are many groups of either groups of 1,000, groups of 100, groups of 10 that can give you up to 1 million. About 2 of them. 1,000 group of 1,000 can give you 1 million, and then 100 groups of 10,000 can give you 1 million, and 10 groups of 100,000 can also give you 1 million. Thank you. There is one thing I want you to notice about this million. Now look at the figure very well. Look at the figure. How many digit numbers? How many digit number has 1 million? How many digit number has 1 million? Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 million has 7 digits. It has what? 7 digits. Now, this leads us to the digit value table. The digit value of numbers. Look very well on the board. If you look at this table, children, you see million, 100 of million, tens of million, 100 of thousand, tens of thousand, thousand, 100, tens, and what? Unit. Million, hundreds of thousand, tens of thousand, thousand, 100, tens, unit. Now, if we have 1 here, this one is under what? Unit. 1 is under unit. This is 1 unit. And then when we have 1 0, which is 10. If you look at here, we say in words and the name given to them. This one is 1 digit. 1 digit number. Okay? And then in giving it the name, it is unit digit. The name to this is unit what? Digit. And then when we have 10, 110, just 110. Because under 10s here is only 1. That is 110. And then the name is 10s digit. This 10 is in 10s digit. That is the name. And now we have 100. 100. This is 100. Because this one falls under 100 and is only 1. If it is 2 here, it should be 200. But once it is here, it is 100. And the digit name is 100 digit. 100 digit carries how many digit number? 1, 2, 3. But tens carries how many digit number? 1, 2. Units carries how many digit number? 1. In the same order as we go down. Okay? Now, for 1,000, this is 1,000. 100 is 1,000. Now, children, this is 10,000 and this is 100,000 carrying 6 digits. And this is 1 million carrying 7 digits. Okay? Very good. Also, we can use abacus to show the value numbers. But the most important thing is, how can we now count? Methods of counting. There are 2 major methods of counting. And in the 2 major methods of counting, we have ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order of counting. Good. In the ascending order, I say 2 methods. 2 methods of counting. Children, we say 2 methods of counting, ascending order and descending order. We have given examples. Ascending order goes up as we count. 1, 2, 3, we move ahead. But in descending, it goes down. Maybe from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, as I've explained. Okay. Now, if we are to work out for a missing number, maybe find the missing numbers in the following. Question like this, and then the missing number you have 1,000 dash 2,500 dash 4,500. We are looking for these missing numbers. Okay? Now, between 1,000 and 2,005, there is a gap. So what you have to do is subtract this number from this. You have 2,500 minus 1,000. Subtract 5, 1. You have 1,500. But there is a gap here, which means in this 1,500, it is to be shared between number here before adding the half to this one. So we divide this into 2. And when we divide 1,500 by 2, we are getting 750. So this 750 is our counting number. Once it is our counting number, we quickly add it to this. So that when we add 1,000 to 750, 1,000 to 750, we are going to have 1,750, which is our answer here. Okay? That should be our answer here. Then another 750. If we add 1,750 to 750, 0, 0. 14 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. That is how we get 2005. Then we add another, in this 2005, we add another, the counting number, the same counting number, which is 750. We add another 750. And then we get 3,250. Which when we add another 750, we also should reach at 4,500. So this is how we are going to see our missing number. Also, in finding the missing number under descending order, we can now say find the missing number in the following, but now in descending order. We have maybe 250, 350, dash, dash. We are asked to find the two last numbers. What we are going to do is to find the difference between 250 and 350. Children, what is the difference? 350 minus 250, what will it be? It's 100. This 100 is the counting number. It's what we call the counting number, okay? And this counting number is what we shall be adding to this series. Now add 100 to 350, you have 450. Add 100 to 450, you have 550. Okay. Okay. That's fine, children. In the next week, we are going to continue with this topic. Receive your assignments, your take-home assignments, so that next week, when we come next week, we shall treat the rest. Thank you very much for today.
This is the way we go to school.